Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on the Atlantic City beach, right off the boardwalk in front of the Ocean Casino Resort. Gonna step inside the Ocean Casino Resort and head up to the park, one of my favorite hangouts, as you guys know. I'm going to the Hard Rocks Buffet. They did some enhancements to the buffet. I'm not sure what they are, but I want to check them out tonight. So I'm gonna have a light lunch, maybe a wrap, maybe a salad, and maybe a hot tea. That sounds good. I won't know until I get up there, and you guys will come up with me, so you'll find out when I find out. In any event, come on along. Again, I'm here on the beach, Atlantic City. A beautiful day. There's the ocean behind me, and if you look up a little bit, you'll see the park, one of my favorite hangouts, as I said, as you guys know. Can't wait to get up there with some food, and then I'm going to take a long walk on the boardwalk, but that's a different story. Hold on tight. Before we head up to the park, let's check out the skywalk, which is one level below the park. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. So obviously this isn't the park, but if you're a smoker, this is the place to hang out at the ocean. It is a designated smoking area. I'm not a smoker. I'm gonna grab a bite and head out to the park. Come on. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Well, I got my oceanside table here, one of my favorite places to hang out here in Atlantic City. I did forget my windscreen, so I apologize for the wind sounds. What I did pick up, just so you guys know, is a Greek salad, which looks like it has some onions and feta cheese and chickpeas and I don't know if that's eggplant or I don't know, tomatoes, lettuce, olives. We got a nice hot black tea and some dressing. So we're gonna open everything up and see what it looks like. All right, I said eggplant, that's obviously cucumbers, my bad. Good nonetheless. This looks like a nice salad. Again, I'm not gonna eat too much. I'm gonna eat a little light today because I'm going to that enhanced buffet at the Hard Rock. So I'm gonna check that out and bring you guys a video of that shortly. The good old one-handed salad toss. Of course, it did not take long for me to make some friends up here, as always. The salad is very good, very fresh, crispy. I don't know, I've been on a Greek kick lately. I had a flatbread pizza the other day in my room at the Hard Rock, and I ordered a Greek one, and that kind of got me started on this whole Greek thing. I'm sure I'll get over it, but I'm enjoying it as I go along. On the way up here, I made a list of some entertainment coming here to the Ocean Casino Resort, and I don't know when this video is going to be posted, so some of this might be behind us now, but just check the dates on the Ocean Casino Resort website. But coming here shortly will be Teresa Caputo. She's that Long Island medium with the big hair. She'll be coming here soon. We have Bush, that great band from the 90s. They used to sing songs like Vaseline and I don't know, a bunch of good songs though. Let's see, we have Kool and the Gang coming here. We have Elvis Costello, a personal favorite of mine. The show A Bronx Tale is coming here. A Monkey Celebration with Mickey Dolenz, one of the original Monkeys, is coming here to the Ocean. America is coming here, the group from the 70s, as well as Buddy Guy, a great blues player. Lots coming here to the Ocean Casino Resort. I gotta say, I'm really enjoying the salad. It's like I said, really fresh and crispy. I didn't use both dressing, just one dressing, but I'm enjoying the Greekness of it, the ingredients in the Greek salad, and I'm also enjoying this nice warm black tea on a breezy winter day like today. And in case you're wondering, the salad was $12.95, it was delicious, and the hot tea was $3.75. While I'm at it, a special thanks to Wise Malik and Susan Fisher for their special thanks last week. Thanks guys, I really do appreciate your support of the New York channel. guys, I hope you enjoyed lunch with me here on the park here at Ocean Casino Resort. I had a great time, enjoyed the salad, it was really good. Everything came to like 17 something. I think I showed you guys the receipt, including my hot tea. Gonna take a walk on the boardwalk now for another video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.